Adobe has just released the Spring 23 update to the Premiere Pro, and it has now added some cool features. It has added the enhanced speech option. If you want to know about this, I have explained in my previous video. If you have not watched that, go ahead and watch that. The link of that is in the description section below. Now let me show you the another feature which has been added in the Premiere Pro beta version, and that is in the text to speech option. So right now you can see I have this audio and this video, and you have all these transcription done. So now the new and very amazing feature which saves you a ton of time is this one. So here you will see this filter option. So here by default it would be on the text, and if you click on the filler words, then it's going to show you all these filler words available inside it. Okay, so in the entire transcript it will find all the filler words like over here, like over here. And now if I want to delete all of these, so I can click on the delete, and there is an option I can delete all. So by doing this, it has already made automatic cut to all this sequence. Okay, and then there is another option. If you click on this and click on the pauses, then it's going to show or highlight all the pauses available in the entire recording or entire video clip, and then I can choose the option to delete all, and boom, all the gaps would be deleted very easily. And if I click on this, then we have the option of pauses. Okay, pauses we have already covered, and then we have the option of search setting. So if you click on this, that's going to open a new window. So here you have the option to either check find whole words only. If you search something right over here, then it's going to show you. And if you click on the transcript view, here you have the option to enable these. You might not have these options: filler words and low confidence words, and ultra untranscribed sources, speakers, and pauses. So here you can also decide the length of the pauses. So if it is half an second, or you can just increase to 2 seconds, 3 seconds, or you can even lower it down. So that way it's going to show you all the pauses which are available if they are at least 0.25 seconds. So if you save this, and if you again now click on this filter option and click on the pauses, now you can see it has shown all these pauses which were earlier not there because I have selected the 0.5 seconds. So these are the less than 0.5 seconds. And if I want to delete all of these, so if I click on the delete, see what happens right over here, delete, and you can see all of the pauses are now gone from the entire this. So that is a very amazing feature, and that's going to save you a lot of time while editing, and that way you can edit super fast with the help of this new option. So I hope you like this latest feature of the Adobe Premiere Pro beta, and this is the spring release 2023. And if you have any question, always leave that in the comment section below. And if you have not watched my previous video where I have explained how you can enhance your bad audio, you can clean audio automatically with the latest feature, AI feature of the Adobe Premiere Pro, and that is the enhanced speech. You can check out that video. Link is in the description or on your screen right now. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.